Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, select Additional Settings, Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Then go into Theme and tap on Show Mode to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can click on one of those images, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on, and tap Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!